If you want the details on how I made this custom grad hat, click the like button and stick around. It's crafting with Kita. The main ingredients in this project is heat transfer vinyl and cardstock. Here's a little bit of craft room household ASMR for you. So to give my money the 3D effect so it pops out on the hat, I used some pop-up dots. I actually got these from the Dollar Tree, and y'all gonna see me use a bunch of the little ones. That's because I'm down to the nitty-gritty. I haven't been back to the Dollar Tree to get any more. So I'm also helping to secure it with some hot glue. I thought my big money bag was looking a little plain, so I jazzed it up a little, cut out some more letters in glitter cardstock. I'm securing it with E6000 glue, and I'm also securing the flat back rhinestones with some E6000 glue as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description for any product links and to learn how to connect with me on social. See you in the next video.